Welcome back. Let's look at the solution for Test Your Learning 1. So we're given a dictionary, and so all we need to do is to iterate over this dictionary and compare the GPAs with some reference GPA that we care about. So let's say that our GPA limit is 3.5. Okay, so I do need a dictionary, a list to place my students in if they meet the criteria. So I will say Dean's list is an empty list, and so I would have my dictionary. So I could get rid of that. Let me move that up here. Alright, I have a list to store honor students, and of course this is my GPA limit. I don't think I need a comment because it is self-commenting. Alright, so I will iterate over the dictionary. So I will say for key and the value in grades dot items, right? Items because I want the key and the value. What do I want to do? Well, I want to see if the value is greater than or equal to GPA limit. So if value is greater than or equal to GPA limit, then I want to add that student's name to my list. So I will say Dean's list that append the key, which contains the student's name. Alright, so let's see if that gives me something that I want. Okay, I guess I need to print the name. So let's print the names. So for name in Dean's list, I want to print name. Okay, great. So we have what we're looking for. I now simply need to put it in this format. So that seems simple enough. I will say print an asterisk honor roll, another asterisk, then I will print separator, another one here. Great, and now let's see if that gives me what I want. Yes. Alright, so our sample output matches to what we got here. Okay, and of course maybe I could put a space before we start printing. Okay, much better. Alright, so that brings me to the end of this video where we looked at the solution, one of the possible solutions for Test Your Learning 1. Okay, in the next video we'll look at Test Your Learning 2. See you then.